Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. Alright guys, so let's get this party started, shall we? So, like I said, I recommend using Brave. Alright, I'm gonna be posting a download link in the description for Brave. It's a really good web browser. I recommend downloading it with I recommend using it to download Adobe. You'll get no ads. Safety is #1 priority. So yeah, it'll also make sure the download's secure. So other than that, let's continue. So I'm sorry if you guys are gonna hear anything in the background. My window's open. It's kind of hot outside, and I have a bad microphone, I guess. But let's continue. We're gonna get Adobe After Effects. There's gonna be a download link in the description. You want to extract the file. You want to open up the folder. There's gonna be files, readme, installation for can't even speak, whatever. You just want to focus on this for right now. You want to double click, you want to highlight setup. Now you don't need to highlight it, I'm just doing this so I can show you guys. And real quick, yeah, my screen is nice and black. I might put like a banana, I don't know, maybe I could find something in the background to put so it'll amuse you guys. Oh yeah. So anyways, let's get to it. You want to disconnect your Wi-Fi or internet. Woo! So just give me a sec. Alright, so I disconnected my my Ethernet cable from my computer. So let's continue with the download. So you just want to double click, you want to run. Oh, look at that. So it's gonna say we've encountered some issues. You just want to press ignore and just continue the installation. Alright guys, while it's happening, I'm not gonna cut this out. I just want to talk to you guys real quick. I know you've probably been seeing some updates on my channel. I'm starting to do something new. Alright, after this video is gonna go up, I'm planning on doing a couple more videos just so we can start doing some things together. Now I want to start doing some things with you guys, since this is like a little tutorial thing. I want to work with you guys and I want to have that motivation to and continue. So let's go. So just press sign in. I'm sorry guys. So just press sign in later, scroll all the way down, press accept. Adobe After Effects, you want to change it to the D drive. Oops. So check it. Let's go to the D drive real quick guys, or I'm just doing it to the hard drive that I want to download it to. You guys can do whatever else you guys would like. Adobe, and then just press OK. Boom, easy peasy lemon squeezy, isn't that right guys? And then you're gonna have a pop out, just press yes, and boom, it's preparing to install. Alright guys, so now that you guys seen this, perfect. All you want to do is just press close. Alright, so we have closed it. What you want to do is go to the crack and then just have this open real quick. Then you just want to go to where you've downloaded pretty much. So if we go into our D drive, into the programs, Adobe, you're gonna see that we have Adobe After Effects, right? Okay, hold on, let's check this out. Open file location. I don't understand what the heck is going on, but anyways, I'll put this into the description just in case. So just want to look for the AMTD file. Let's check this out. I don't even am I like silly or something? Like I can't even spell right now. Wow, I'm slow. Right here. So just if you want to be cool, you could make a copy, call it fresh cool beans. Everybody just drag that into there. Then you just want to delete that, drag it in here, exit, and then just open up Adobe again. And the shortcut was not created. So let's just go back to the D drive, Adobe, After Effects, and let's just run this bad boy one more time. What you want to do is just send this to your desktop, and then boom guys, look, you got an Adobe After Effects shortcut. Alright, so I'm gonna get some messages again. Just press whatever. Okay, thank you, mister. And this isn't it. Come on, there you go. And there's more things that pop up. Woohoo! So now you shouldn't have the trial version. Let's plug back in our internet. Okie dokie, my friends. We have internet. Now just double click. Once again, this is being... oh my goodness, I'm so sorry guys. Boom. Easy peasy. As you guys can see, this is the thing that keeps popping up. We're not getting no free trial. We still don't need to sign in. Pish posh. We still don't need to sign in, so we're still good. But After Effects, and you can't see it, can you? No. Yeah, you guys can't see it, but pretty much you've gotten yourself the free version now. And like I said, I recommend getting this not cracked or anything like that. And I also do much recommend using Brave. It's really good, really easy. Plus, I'll show you guys how to make money off Brave. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take it easy.